Hey, what is up, my love? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys everything that I got on my Boxycharm today, including this whole entire look. So stay tuned if you guys are interested on what I got and to see what I got. So let's begin. Getting right into it, you guys, here's an overview of the entire box. And for those of you that are new or never knew about Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription box where you receive makeup, basically. Super simple like that. And let's start by showing you everything that I received on my box this June 2018, starting with this 3-piece flawless complexion by Luxie Beauty. Also received the Monroe silk lashes by Battington. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but these are $28 lashes. They're super natural, you guys, and I believe everyone received these lashes in their box this month, as well as the Luxie brushes, which is freaking awesome. Seriously excited when I saw this cream, you guys, because I actually own it. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it's a bum cream, and it's supposed to tighten all that good stuff. It's amazing, you guys. I love it. Next, we're moving on to JonteBlu eyeliner. It's a smoky kind of grayish eyeliner. Very nice. Let's see here how pigmented it is. It's really nice. We're gonna be using this on our face, you guys, so do not worry. Stay tuned throughout the whole entire video because I'm gonna be putting this all over my face. Next, we also got this OFRA Cosmetics liquid lipsticks in Verona. And last but not least, my favorite one is Reina del Caribe by Alamar Cosmetics Palette. You guys, look at this amazingness, and it's only $28. Look at this amazingness. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this on our faces right now because I'm amazed. Oh my god, you guys, I so wish I had like a palm tree right now behind me. This would have been perfect for this palette to do justice on how beautiful this is. Like, my girl killed it. Okay, she killed it. Okay, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually gonna do a little quick look just with this because I'm gonna be trying all of the products on the Boxycharm, and I'm actually gonna be doing a full-on review on this product just because I've been dying to try this. Okay, this is a new brand and this is made by a Latina, una cubana, and I have so much respect for that, so I need to do a review on this, and I'm super excited. I gotta support my people, like, you know what I mean? I'm excited. So I'm just gonna do a quick ass look with this product. So I'm starting with the shade Cocoa Taxi, and I'm gonna apply that shade all over my crease. Woo! Look how pretty that is, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's like the perfect transitioning shade. The perfect. So I'm actually, once again, you guys, just applying this all over the eyelid. I'm just going to do a super quick look just because I'm going to be doing a full-on review on this palette with swatches and everything. I'm gonna have like a bomb ass, full-on dramatic ass look to. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with Baradero, which is this shade right here. I love how buildable and easy it is to apply these shadows. They're so freaking gorgeous. Like, wow. Next, I'm gonna apply El Malecón, and I'm gonna apply that right in the middle right here. And then I'm taking Cafecito and I'm applying that right on the outer corners. Ooh, you guys, I love how easy it is to apply these shadows. Like, oh my effing god. Just going with El Malecón a little bit more. These shadows are precious, you guys. Precious. This camera is not showing the like actual colors, and it's bugging me because it's actually more pigmented than what you're looking at right now, and that's a fact, honey. That's a fact. I'm taking Tropico and I'm putting that on my lower lash. I love these colors. Like, this is, I'm living for it. And I'm taking a little bit of Malecón again, and I'm gonna put that right on the inner corners right here. How beautiful that is, you guys. Oh my goodness. And against the blue, it gives like an aqua reflection type of thing. Like, it's such a gorgeous color. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on now. Oh shit, I forgot I'm wearing these other lashes. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna apply the Battington lashes, and this is in the style Monroe 3D, like this. Wow, you can barely even see them. These are definitely super cute, you guys, but these lashes are more like everyday wear, nothing too like dramatic. But next, I'm using the JonteBlu eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to apply that on my waterline. This pencil honestly feels a little bit too rough for my waterline. Like, it doesn't feel comfortable whatsoever. So I think I might be using this more like on my eyelids instead, just to smudge it out as a base for like eyeshadow. Okay, next we're going to use the brushes. So I'm actually going to use, we have a highlighter brush, a foundation brush, and also a dual fiber powder brush. I like to use these powder dual fiber brushes to apply, and I'm going to use this to blend it in basically. And I'm going to apply the foundation with this brush, which is the Luxie Precision Foundation Brush.
Wow, sounds good.
Why you gotta do me like that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this right on. Oh, I actually like this. It's nice. Really like the brush, you guys. It applies the foundation so nice. Oh my god, this brush was so good. Okay, you guys, the foundation brush is so good. Oh my god, I really like. So I'm actually gonna try to apply my concealer also with the foundation brush to see how it works. And I'm gonna use my Too Faced concealer for that Born This Way concealer. Okay, let's just try it. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, not bad at all, you guys. Okay, you guys, so the last brush that I'm using is actually the highlighter brush, and this is the 552, and I'm gonna be applying the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Dry. I think this brush is not meant to be used wet, so because when I wet it on the other side, it was not applying my highlight, but now it is, so we're all good. Yes. Ooh. By the way, you guys, this is not the first time that I use Luxie brushes. I actually have used Luxie brushes before, and they work amazing. Like, they're really good. Okay, you guys, so the last thing on the box is actually this lipstick, liquid lipstick by OFRA Cosmetics in Verona. Let's go ahead and apply this. I hope it matches my look. Definitely is the lashes that are my least favorite of the box, you guys, but everything else, it worked so well. And of course, this Brazilian Bum 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 is actually a bum cream for your booty, and this is supposed to firm your booty and all that good stuff. It is it smells so good, you guys. I actually have a big version of this. Like, this is the actual original size, the big size, and this is the travel size. And you guys, I freaking love this stuff. Like, it's smell like heaven. It's so good. Highly recommend this. So yeah, so I did use everything on the box today. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of it. I know I went a little bit crazy with the look, but we're gonna have another look with this palette just because it's so pretty. Definitely highly recommend it. How it blends, everything is like on point. Let me know in the comments if you guys will be trying any of these products, or if you guys got the Boxycharm, and if you guys got this palette. Everything you get is like, oh wow.